Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Marine Solutions, and today we're going to be unboxing the Lowrance HDS 9 with Active Imaging 3-in-1 transducer bundle. This is a 9-inch chart plotter, touchscreen with keyed assist on the side. Comes preloaded with CMAP charts and built-in GPS, fully networkable. On the outside you have your marketing wrap. And we open our box up here. We have our information on how to find Lowrance on social media and also where to find all of your manuals and any product support you may have. Inside our box here, once you open up this compartment here, you have your mounting bracket, you have your power cord, you have your knobs for your mounting bracket, flush mount hardware as well as transducer mounting hardware. You have your Active Imaging 3-in-1 transom mount transducer, transducer mounting bracket, more transducer hardware, the transom mount piece for that, and then you have your HDS 9 unit. Take it out of our packaging. Screen protector is installed. This is a fully networkable unit again, so it has two SIMRAD network ports. You have NEMA 2000, you have your power NEMA 0183 cable, and then you also have dual sonar ports here. This is SIMRAD's Navico's Exonic. If we take off our screen protector, we have a 9-inch chart plotter that is touchscreen with button assist. You are able to use full buttons or full touchscreens with this unit to control it. You have your home button here. You have your waypoint button, enter, escape, directional keypad, plus and minus button for your zoom, power button, and then a menu button. You also have a dual SD card, micro SD card slot here. For putting additional charts and backing up waypoints and such. I'm Sean from Amped Marine Solutions, and this was the Lowrance HDS 9. You can find this product in the link below in the description. And this was another product unboxing. Thanks for watching.